We're going to keep the pictures from our last video in this video. I'll also leave some of the commentary. If the transition newel post is in the 6 to 7 inch wide range, perhaps the upper newel post will follow suit. The existing newel post could remain fastened in place. Leaving this in place to add onto keeps us from digging up the floor and adding on to our labor hours. Pause this video to gather details of this and form your questions and concerns. To reduce the size of the newel post closer to 4 inches, I'm reducing the width of the lower baluster receiver at the floor. I'm also reducing the width of the current newel post. I'm encouraged to leave and use as much of this existing newel post as possible. This way I can reduce surprises. A possible angle bracket or a 4-foot awl thread could be used to stiffen up the newel post at the end, but both of these tricks require space. Leaving as much space as possible, I can reduce the newel post down to 5 1/4. Any smaller than that, I risk pulling the flooring up to look into what the framing offers in terms of anchor points. That may not prove to be fruitful. At the other end, this adjustment affects the wall post. Perhaps instead of having this extend to the floor, we use a standard handrail rosette to terminate at the wall. We'll have to know if there is positive framing behind the drywall.